Okay, so today we're replacing these little sections of the panel above the wheel. This was real flexible in here. So what we did is we bought some neoprene and we glued it inside here. If you go inside there, you can see how the panel matches the body frame. And you can see that piece of neoprene in there. So we glued that all tight in here, so there's no more flex in this wall. Because what was happening was flexing, and whoever did the body work last time, they had so much putty in here, because that was all flexed in, that they had like 3/4 of an inch up to 1.25 inches of putty all in here. So we ground all that out. We put that neoprene piece all the way down inside here, and that's holding that panel out. Now today, we just got this kind of rough cut in there where it needs to be. We're going to put this patch panel in there. And we're just, as you can see, we started just tack welding it in there. And tack weld it, finish welding it, grind it. And then this piece here, they got this piece so screwed up that we actually bought another piece of panel we're going to cut and put in here too, so all the body lines and stuff are going to match up on it. It'll be sweet when we're done. And that's where we're at today. Thanks for watching. So here's where we're at. We got this panel in. It's pretty good. Our issue here was the panels only come one size. And somebody had done this before and they just kind of puttied it up, and when we got into it, there's nothing left of it. So what we did is we bought 2 of these panels, and we're going to take this one. This is actually part of that full panel that we bought, because you can't buy a piece for it. And we're going to cut this panel out and put this panel in, butt weld it, and when we're done, the strength will be back, no more rust, right where it needs to be. So that's kind of the next goal here. Try to get this panel cut and bent in there the way it's got to go. And that's where we're at.
panel all ground down. Not too shabby. A little bit of fiberglass filter and that'll be all ready to go here.